I've got some exciting news for all onigiri lovers. Yeah, the farm where I once made organic rice has just opened an Onigiri Academy. So, if you ever come to Japan and want to learn how to make onigiri directly from rice farmers, try a super local, one-of-a-kind experience, or discover how organic rice is grown in the Japanese countryside, then this video is perfect for you. Who knows, after this, you might go back home and surprise your family and friends, or even start your own onigiri shop. This time I joined a short course to learn how to make real authentic onigiri. Alright, let's dive in. Onigiri Basics. The academy begins. I'm so excited. To cook delicious rice, the most important thing is how you wash it. A lot of people start scrubbing rice right away, but for the best taste, don't wash yet. Add water and drain it. After draining, gently pinch the rice with one hand. Then smell the rice.
Yes, I can smell something ricey smell. ライスの匂いがします。
It should have a nice toasty aroma of rice. That's when it's ready. Fill with water and drain. Repeat 3 times. Alright, it's done. This is how you wash it. Now let's move on to cooking the rice. How to cook rice in a pot. Now let's cook the rice in a pot. Add 400 milliliter of water. Turn the heat to medium high and wait until it boils.
開けちゃダメなんですね。開けちゃダメ。Okay. Never open.
This is the sign. After that, lower the heat and cook for about 12 to 13 minutes.
3, 2, 1. Wow! Look at this! Fuwa rice.
Cut the rice into a cross, then mix block by block. Yeah, it's ready.
いや、料理って楽しいですね。
You can follow the same steps using a clay pot.
Check this out. These grains shine like little white jewels. Woo, we did it! While I was cooking the rice, she was secretly preparing the fillings for our onigiri. Now let's start making onigiri. Onigiri. First, let's taste fillings together with the rice. Here they are, all the fillings for today. Cod rolls,
And umeboshi?
matsutake beef shigure, salmon, shrimp tempura, takuan, pickled radish, Ise-style takuan, tempura bits, tsunamayo, bonito flakes, seaweed, clams simmered in soy sauce. Okay, let's try the matsutake beef.
いただきます。めちゃくちゃ美味しい。Why we are eating rice first is because after that we're gonna make onigiri. Then you can choose which one is your favorite for your onigiri.
How to make onigiri.
Let's make onigiri!
手水を
塩、
もみ込みます。
塩、
塩。
salt、揉み込む。こういう感じね。ゴシゴシゴシゴシ。おお。
で、ここにご飯を握れるだけ入れてください。ここちょっとこ
ちょっとくぼみをつける。
こでそこへ、そこへちょっとこの天むすを
天むす
をしてみますね。で、
お
こ
ー
こちょっとこうしようかね。
あ、かわいい。
着物みたい。
着物みたい。いいですね。
そしたらここへたらこを入れます。
お肉
入れます。これがちょっと絡んだらご飯を少しこの上にかぶせてもらって、
うんうんうん
沸きそうやったら、こうまず丸くして、
うん、まず丸く。
丸く。
まず丸くして、
はい
手でこう
丸く
ちょっと丸くして、でその後ここの指とこれをこうくいくい回して。
like this, like this,
あ、これごめん、前切ってしまった。ごめんなさい。
like this. ちょっと待って。
大丈夫大丈夫。
めっちゃ
オッケーオッケーオッケーオッケー。
It's so watery now.
すごい。
The sounds like. あ、でも look at this. ちょっとできた。おにぎり。
うん、綺麗。
よし。で、着物スタイルで
このスタイルね。
いこうかな。こうで、こうで、こう。Okay, this is our onigiri. We did it! いただきます。うん、うまい。おいしい。This is the best. Best onigiri ever.
Yeah, it was so fun. At the Onigiri Academy, you can learn the basics, how to cook rice, how to shape onigiri, and how to prepare the fillings. They also offer special seasonal farm experiences and lessons about rice from Mr. Tsuji. Yeah, he's the owner of this farm. Since he worked overseas before, he speaks great English too.
And if you want to make onigiri, you should start from rice.
Oh, really? Start from rice.
You can join for 1 or 2 days, or even take a 30-day or 1-year program with Mr. Tsuji. And in the end, you can even get the Onigiri Academy certificate. If you are interested, check the link in the description. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Yes, let's start making onigiri.